In this video, we'll explore how to add a secondary axis in Excel. First, let's discuss when a secondary axis is needed. When you have two data series with significantly different value ranges. For example, one series in thousands and another in hundreds. Or when the data series represent different units. For example, sales in dollars and quantity sold in units. Now, let's see how to add secondary axis in a chart. Before starting the video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got lots of short Excel videos on the way that will take your skills from good to great. Let's start. We have a dataset showing monthly sales along with quantity sold. First, let's plot this dataset in a chart. Start by selecting the dataset, go to the Insert tab, click on Clustered Column Chart. And here our column chart is ready. As you can see, both sales and quantity sold are displayed on the chart. However, due to the extremely different value ranges, the quantity sold bars are barely visible. So in this case, adding secondary axis is essential to clearly display both data series. It will allow the quantity sold to be more visible and comparable alongside the sales figures, despite their different value ranges. To add a secondary axis, select the chart and go to the Chart Design tab, which appears only when the chart is selected. Click on Change Chart Type. Click on Combo. Here, you will see the series names, chart types, and the option to add a secondary axis. Decide which series you want to move to the secondary axis. Series 1 or 2. I'll select Series 2 as secondary axis, for better visibility. Set its chart type to line. Click OK. Now, the quantity sold series is plotted on a secondary axis, making it easier to identify the numbers. There is one more way you can plot this data on a secondary axis. Select the chart, go to the Insert tab, and click on Recommended Chart. Excel may automatically suggest a suitable chart type that includes a secondary axis for better data visualization. So, you can directly select the recommended chart from this option. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips.